I'm coming on here to make this video and I'm gonna upload it as soon as I'm done because I don't wanna overthink this, but I've just made a decision and I'm gonna commit to it and I'm gonna do it. I am gonna start over, a new small account challenge. Here's the deal. Over the last few months of day trading, I have been on this roller coaster of huge green days and huge red days. And you know why? It's because I've been swinging for the fences like a maniac. I've been trading like a cowboy. I've just been all over the place. And it's because I took a $583 account and turned it into over $1 million. I've got a lot of buying power. And so I've been taking, $100, $200, $300,000 positions. And on the green days, I've been crushing it. But on the red days, I've been getting smoked. And the roller coaster, the ups and downs are, it's nice to make $500,000 or whatever, in a year, but I'm wondering to myself if I can do it without the roller coaster and instead just more of like consistency, because 500 a year is $2,000 a day. There's 250 trading days a year. So that's 500 grand a year. So I don't need $40,000 home run Hail Mary pass days, but I need them when I'm bailing myself out from the $10, $15, $20,000 red days. So this is my plan. And I had a red day today and I just came out to the car and I was going to go home and do some YouTube videos and stuff. And then I was like thinking before I left, I was like, why does this cycle keep happening? And this is my third red day of the week. And I realized it's because of this swing for the fences. And so I was like, all right, well, what's the solution? How can I stop this, break this cycle, this pattern? And I realized the only way was to go back down a small size. And you know what? Like, as cool as it is probably for you guys to see me have these really big days, the reality is I bet most of you guys are trading with small accounts. $1,000, $2,000, maybe a little more, maybe a little less. So seeing someone who can afford to take a $15,000, $20,000 loss, that's not really helpful. I'm going to be managing my risk a lot differently from you. Seeing me make $20,000, $30,000, yeah, that's cool, but I can take a lot more risk. And so what I want to do is start over and force myself to be basically, back to the way I was when I started my first small account challenge, which is focused on base hits, which is the strategy that I teach in our classes. I don't teach the Hail Mary strategy because it's so risky. Yeah, sure, it's nice when you get one, but it's risky. The only reason I've been trading that way is because I can afford the risk because I've grown my account so much. But it's not really setting a good example. So I'm going to just clear the slate and I'm going to upload this video before I overthink it. I'm not going to sleep on it. I'm just going to put this out there and I'm going to force myself to start over. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go inside and I'm going to start putting together my budget for this small account challenge. I need to think about how much money I'm going to put in the account, how much money I should set aside. I'm going to think about this like as if I'm starting my career as a trader, like starting over. So how much money do I need for computers, equipment? What am I going to pick out? How much do I need for trading software? How much do I need for education? All of the stuff that you might not think of as a beginner trader. I'm going to lay it out in the budget. And while I set up this new trading account, which is probably going to take at least a few days, I don't know, I'm going to put together some videos on getting started. What strategy I'm going to use, price range stocks, how I'm going to buy, how I'm going to sell the software, the computers, everything. You know what? This is crazy because I just went from having, from being red on the day and feeling like really kind of bummed out. And now I'm going to bring the camera back inside. To now I'm feeling like, excited. And I want to make this happen. I want you guys to comment below. Those of you guys who are watching this, and I want you to give me some feedback of what you think I should do, what you would do if you were in my shoes. Some of you guys have already traded small accounts and you're gonna have some good advice of what I should do. It's been almost 3 years since my last small account challenge. But this is gonna be really good. I'm just gonna focus on base hits. I'm gonna trade the same way I traded the last time I did a small account challenge, and I'm gonna trade the same way probably 90% of you guys are gonna trade. As if every dollar I need in order to pay my bills. So what's the daily goal gonna be? What's my average risk gonna be? I'm gonna break that down in the budget. And I want you guys to comment below, give me some feedback, give me some of your thoughts, and I think, yeah, I'm gonna get into this. This is the beginning of a new chapter for me here. So now I feel pumped up. So what's next? I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna work on the budget and upload this video, and that's out there. And there's no looking back. This is the beginning. Hey, did you know that I go live every single morning between 9 and 9:15 to stream my pre-market watch list? Subscribe to the channel, press the bell for the alert, and you'll get the notification.